looks like we've got ourselves an old-fashioned flavor showdown.
Oh, yeah. Chocolate versus vanilla.
Which flavor is best?
So, if I can convince Mochi that chocolate is the best, then we'll make Mrs. O a chocolate cake. And if Mochi can convince me, which I can't imagine, then we'll make Mrs. O a vanilla cake.
Exactamundo.
Waffles Mochi!
Oh!
What are you doing here?
Oh my, it's food expert Rick Martinez. Where are we, Rick?
This is the ancient city of Teotihuacan in the country of Mexico. Built over 2,000 years ago, it's home to two of the largest pyramids in all the world.
You know what, Rick? We got a little bit of a problem going on here, and I believe that chocolate is the bestest flavor in the world.
Chocolate's amazing!
But Mochi here thinks that vanilla is the best flavor in the world.
Ooh, vanilla's pretty good too.
You could say we have ourselves a flavor showdown. And we have to bake a cake for our super awesome best friend, Mrs. O, and we don't know which one to pick.
Well, you've come to the right place because Mexico happens to be the home of both chocolate and vanilla. First, both of you need to try some Mexican chocolate.
That's a great idea. Come on, let's go.
I'm taking you to one of my favorite places to eat chocolate in all of Mexico City. It's called La Rifa. Monica, Danielle, I want to introduce you to my two good friends, Waffles and Mochi.
Hola. Hola.
Hi, hola.
We heard you know a lot about chocolate.
Yes. Did you know that chocolate comes from cacao?
What?
Cacao pods grow on trees and they're picked like any other fruit.
Whoa, that looks like alien guts.
Yes, the inside is slimy, but then we dry and roast the seeds before we make it into chocolate.
What? Chocolate comes from seeds? That makes chocolate better.
Yeah.
Well, you know, vanilla also comes from seeds.
There's only one way to know which is better. We gotta make some chocolate now.
First, we smash the cacao seeds into a mushy paste, just like the Mesoamericans did. Hey, Mochi, do you want to try some raw chocolate? You're right, Mochi. It is bitter. And that's how my ancestors used to drink it as medicine. It's bitter because we haven't mixed the cacao with sugar, which will make it sweet and creamy. Once it's nice and smooth, we pour the liquid into molds to form them into chocolate bars.
Chocolate. Oh, that's good chocolate. Look, it's Flower Shop by Amira Kassem. Wow.
Are you Waffles and Mochi by any chance?
How did you know?
My friend Rick told me you guys were coming.
Amira, here's the problem. We have a little bit of a flavor showdown. Yeah, you see, I'm Team Chocolate, and Mochi here is Team Vanilla. Rick said you were the person to talk to about all things vanilla.
You came to the perfect place because actually, all the cakes you see in here are made with vanilla.
Whoa, 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 whoa. You're telling me every single one of these cakes has vanilla?
Yes, all of the vanilla cakes, the chocolate cake, the cookie doughs, absolutely everything has vanilla.
What is vanilla that makes it so vanilla-ish?
Well, vanilla, like me, is from Mexico. Vanilla was originally eaten by Mesoamericans in Mexico. They called it the nectar of the gods. And it's actually one of the only orchid flowers that you can eat. Vanilla ones happen to be white, and this is the bean that comes out of it. It's a pod.
Wow, but we still don't know which is better, vanilla or chocolate. Only one way to settle this.
You need to taste it.
We need to taste it!
Cake party! 1, 2.
Look at that! I never knew how exciting vanilla could be.
Are you ready to try it?
Yes, please.
Here you go, your very first Flower Shop Rainbow Vanilla Explosion Cake. Cheers.
Cheers. Vanilla. Vanilla. It's so good.
Yay!
Don't tell Mochi.
Where is Mochi?
Mochi. Mochi.
Oh, there he is.
Mochi, what are you doing in that chocolate? Okay, I've done some thinking, and I think you're right. Vanilla is the best. What? You like chocolate now?